Okay, we were just listening to South Korea's health minister there give us the latest on the COVID-19 situation in the nation. Some grim comments, to say the least, but they're trying to get a handle on it. For more on these new social distancing measures covering Seoul and its surrounding areas, our Kim Yeon-seung is on the line for us. Yeon-seung, just talk us through why these measures are being implemented right now.
Hi, Mark. South Korea on Tuesday reported 230 new COVID-19 cases, 202 of which were locally transmitted. It's the fourth day in a row that there have been over 200 infections. Most of these cases are from the densely populated capital area, which saw 137 cases on Tuesday. Now, for 5 straight days, the capital region has been seeing over 100 daily infections, so health authorities are tightening measures in an effort to curb the spread.
Yes, and for our international viewers, Seoul is, of course, one of the biggest urban areas in the entire world, with tens of millions of people living here. But tell us more about the criteria that has to be met for the social distancing guidelines to be modified one way or the other, and also what differences we are going to see now. It's at 1.5 here in Seoul.
Well, Mark, when health authorities first announced their new 5-tier distancing measure system, they said they would tighten measures if the capital region sees a weekly average of over 100 daily cases. Daily cases in the capital region have already surpassed this threshold, with this week's average reaching a little over 110. In response, Prime Minister Chung Se-kyun on Tuesday morning announced the government's decision to raise the distancing level for the capital region up a notch to level 1.5. The tightened measures for the capital region will start on midnight Thursday. Under the measures, there will be a stricter limit on the number of people allowed in certain types of facilities. Wedding halls, funeral homes, and saunas can only hold one visitor per 4 square meters. Movie theaters, concert halls, and PC rooms should seat their customers 1 seat apart unless they have a barrier in between people. And amusement parks can only allow in half of their usual customers. Religious gatherings and sports events can only seat 30% of their total capacity. Schools will go back to having a mandatory attendance cap of 2/3, and protests and festivals are limited to under 100 people. That's all I have for now, but I'll be back with an update at a later time. Back to you, Mark.